However, it's also important to make sure that you're trying your hand at the recommendation features as well, because that's where a majority of the traffic is on YouTube.
Hmm.
For example, if you were to put out a video right now teaching people how to do whatever it happens to be that you teach people, then in that particular case, if you're, let's say that you're teaching people about, fishing, then in that particular case, if you said something, or if you frame the video for YouTube search and it's something like, like how to, thread a line or whatever it would be, then in that particular case, when you publish that video, if you target it toward YouTube search and you're not being that compelling, so that it's not really appropriate for home pages or for suggested videos, then what happens is within the next like 24 or 48 hours, sure, you can get some views from that. And even if it's a high volume search term, unless it's something that's like trending, something major, the amount of views that you're going to get on that particular video are going to be relatively limited at the time of publish.
Yeah.
However, in the recommendation features, your videos can blow up in a 24-hour period or 48-hour period compared to what it is that you get in search. So when you're putting your content strategy together, I know we're going a little bit off topic here, so we'll bring it back, but when you are putting your content strategy together, it's important to make sure that you're considering those things. So for example, like I'm putting together this affiliate video and I'm doing it for the sake of driving revenue. And because of that, I want to make sure that that revenue is relatively consistent. So I'm targeting search for this one. On the other hand, let's say that you have like a sponsorship, or let's say that you're targeting something as an affiliate that you need to get attention to right now because the company that you're promoting is having some type of thing to where if you get a certain amount of sales, then you get this amount of a bonus or something like that. Well, in that particular case, then you would want to target the homepage and suggested videos. So the approach that you would take with the content and how you actually wrap it all up would be a little bit different. So instead of, how to thread a fishing hook, if you were going for recommendations, it might be something along the lines of, this fishing hook threading technique is guaranteed to catch you more fish, or something along those lines, right? So the approach that you take is going to be completely different based on where it is that you're trying to get your content.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.